Winter's bitter chill can wreak havoc around your home. Your pipes are especially vulnerable. The cold temperatures cause water in the pipes to freeze and expand. Frozen pipes can lead to expensive damage and inconvenience. The first line of defense: insulate your pipes. Use pipe sleeves or heat tape to keep them warm. You can also let water drip from a faucet in your home. Moving water ensures pipes won't freeze. Remember to disconnect, drain, and store your outdoor hoses. Shut off inside valves connected to external hose bibs. Ensure the exterior valve stays open to allow any residual water in the pipe to expand safely without risking pipe damage. If your pipes are feeling the frost, there are a few fast fixes. Grab a hair dryer and gently thaw the frozen section. For a safer option, you can also wrap hot towels around the pipe. To thaw enclosed pipes, try turning up the heat in your home. By taking a few proactive measures, you can enjoy the winter season without worry. Stay warm and safe. For property damage restoration 24/7.